From this amount of yogurt to this, a full bowl of homemade Greek yogurt. Simple lang to gawin. Begin with a carton of UHT milk and meticulously incorporate the yogurt starter until fully homogenized. Homogenized. Make sure to mix it gently, guys. Ayan, naka-fast forward lang yung video guys kaya medyo parang harsh siya tignan. Pero ayan, i-incorporate nyo siya thoroughly talaga para ma-mix yung culture sa milk evenly. Make sure to position the mixture in a consistently warm environment. Just like mine, I have a warm water bath underneath with some towels to maintain temperature of the mixture. Allow it to incubate for 6 to 12 hours. And once fermentation is complete, separate the whey from the curd using a strainer lined with thick paper towels. Refrigerate for 2 to 4 hours to allow excess liquid to drain fully. And ta-da! Finally, your homemade Greek yogurt is ready to serve. Don't forget to set aside 3 to 4 teaspoons for your next batch of yogurt. Taste test! Ayan, legit. Lasang Greek yogurt siya guys. Of course, Greek yogurt naman talaga to. Try nyo na guys, very easy lang siya gawin. Go!